Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the left tab 2 inches in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to make the left tab 2 inches in this document. Go to the paragraph setting option. Then go to the tabs option and select the default tab stop 2 inches. Then select the left and click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we make the left tab 2 inches very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.